What's up YouTube, and welcome back to NCH Software Academy. And today I'm back again with a tutorial that like it's been a while ever since I did one. I don't think even this year I did. Actually, in the past 3 months I don't think like I did any tutorial based on MixPad. And a lot of people who support me comes from MixPad. Just to be honest, a lot of people come from MixPad. I'll just show one of my brother like who support me so much. I'll just pin his comment here on screen. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much for the love. You've been showing me love ever since I started like dropping more videos on MixPad. So today I decided to make this vocal chain, and I'm pretty sure guys you'll love it. Let me just play it, and guys you'll just let me know if like you want to know like how I actually did it. But this is something like you can be able to do here on MixPad. Let me play it. It's been a while since I did one, man. Not surprised, for real. Let me humble. Niggas be shouting me like I should drop like a MixPad tutorial. Back again, man. Nigga came from the trenches, please don't never doubt me. Nigga go where I want to go, you'll never got me. Tell your niggas please don't show me wristbands. Tell your niggas please don't arm no wristbands. Jesus, you gotta nail it down, nigga, then you pray to me. Jesus, nigga look like God to you, pray to me. Jesus, you gotta nail it down, nigga, then you pray to me. Jesus, nigga look like God to you, pray to me. Get the Rolex on my wrist, nigga never check it drunk. Go where I go, nigga need the dog. Say your nigga never tell me, nigga I'm the boss. Fucking nigga tell me, nigga never make a line. Yeah, we back again, tell you niggas never date. Nigga never go again, tell your niggas staying. Fucking piece I never late, your name got a cane. Fucking piece I leg again, the nigga yeah, man, I'm like Jesus. So guys, if you love me to make like a full video on how like I got a sound just like this, please drop the comments. If I get like 50 likes on this video, then definitely I'll do just 50 likes. I don't want 50,000, I don't want 1,000. I just only need like 50 likes on this video, then I'll do one for you guys. I'll definitely do a video where I'll be breaking down everything.